Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the next exercise from your grammar textbook, and the lesson is same. That is from the noun, isn't? Yesterday we have done this two exercises, these two, and today we are going to do this exercise. Find out the nouns in the following sentences. Also mention their kind. So what you have to do? Here some sentences are written, and you have to first of all identify the noun. Okay, that what is the noun in the sentence, and after identifying it you have to identify its kind, that this noun belongs to which kind. Okay, so now let's start. A crowd of people went after the celebrity. So what's a noun here? First one, that is a crowd, because a crowd of people, here we are talking about the collective noun, isn't? Group of people, crowd of people. Crowd is the noun, and the second one, that is the celebrity. Okay, so here crowd, this is your collective noun. Celebrity, this is your common noun. Okay, see the second one. Health is wealth. Health and wealth, they both are noun, and they both belong to, that is abstract noun, because abstract noun is something which we can't see nor touch, isn't? Only we can feel it. It can't be touch or see or assume with our senses, isn't? So it can be felt only. So these two nouns, they belongs to the abstract noun. Lucknow is the largest city of Uttar Pradesh. Lucknow city, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Lucknow and Uttar Pradesh, these two are the proper noun. To identify the proper noun, I also told you that the proper noun, it always begins with a capital letter, and you can see that Lucknow, it's a proper name of the city. Uttar Pradesh, it's also a proper name, isn't? So these two belongs to the proper noun. And city, this is a common noun, because city is common to both, isn't? Lucknow is also a city. This is also, sorry, this is not, but you can take any other example also, just like Agra, that is also a city, isn't? Delhi, it's also a city. Lucknow, that is also. So any city can be there. So city belongs to the under the common noun. The boy was painted red. The boy was painted red. Boy, it's a common noun. Okay, the Ganga is a holy river. Ganga, it's a proper noun, and river, it's a common noun, because river, any river can be there, so it's a common noun. Always speak the truth. Truth, this is your abstract noun. Okay, because this is the quality. Neither we can see nor we can touch, isn't? Only we can feel it. So this is the abstract noun. He bought a bunch of bananas. He bought a bunch of banana. Here bunch is your noun, and this is the collective noun. A bunch of bananas. So bunch, here it is the collective noun. This table is made of wood. Table is made of wood. Here table, this is your common noun, and wood, this is your also the common noun. Okay, table and wood, they both are the common noun, because table, any table can be there, as an square table, rectangle table, study table, as an dining table, it can be there. So this table comes under the common noun. And the wood, any wood can be there. Here proper specification is not there, isn't? That the timber wood or the sandal or any other wood, specification is not there. So this is going to come under the common noun. And if it is written here that's a wooden, then it will come under the, that is a material noun. So now let's come to the next one. Fill in the blanks with the singular number of the nouns in the brackets. One has been done for you. So fill in the blanks with the singular number of the nouns in the bracket. Here you can see some nouns are written in the bracket, isn't? And you have to fill these blanks by using the singular number of these nouns. Whatever the nouns are written in the bracket, these are actually plurals, and you have to fill in the blanks by using this singular number of it. Okay, so now let's start. First one is already given. A dash fell into the soup. Fly is in here. Here it is written in bracket. Okay, so what is going to be here? It is fly. Maya had a cheese dash for breakfast. Here sandwiches are written, as in sandwiches. So singular form, what's going to be here? You have to remove this es, and it will become sandwich. This is a palm leaves here written in the bracket. So what is the singular of leaves? That is leaf. I found a dash in my pocket. Berries. So what is the singular of berries? That is berry. You have to remove this IES, and IES is going to be replaced by Y. Mr. Sanjay's wife is an artist. Here in bracket it is written that is wives. So what's the singular of the wives? That is wife. Okay. And dash lives in an igloo. Eskimos it is written. So Eskimos. So here in bracket it is written that is Eskimos. So what's going to be the singular of this Eskimos? That is Eskimo. Okay, you have to remove only S. So this is all for today. These two exercises you have to write in your copy, rough copy, and you have to prepare it. Okay. So thank you and have a good day.